Panguva ine vanhu vanga vachipururudza vachipembera after they heard kuti Temba Mliswa was involved in an accident. Dzimwe nhau dzanga dzichibroadcasta dzichiti he was involved in a fatal accident. Zvaita kuti vanhu vazhinji vade kuziva kuti chii zvamboitika kuna Temba Mliswa. Sanapinda mashoko from the horse mouth tichinzwa kuti Mliswa panguva ine Temba anotaura kudii pamusoro petsaona aiwa yaasangana nayo panguva ine. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Sabhuku Temba Mliswa anobudanyura achiti I extend my sincere gratitude to everyone who has reached out to inquire about my well-being. I am pleased to report that the situation is under control. Earlier in the day, I had an accident after an inebriated pedestrian unexpectedly entered the roadway and collided with my vehicle, resulting in minor injuries. I promptly notified the authorities and they requested medical assistance. The pedestrian was subsequently transported to the hospital for further evaluation. Notably, he was able to walk by himself from the scene and appeared to be in a stable condition. Following conclusion of all procedures, I have since returned home. I am profoundly thankful to God for His protection over life. Additionally, I'm ensuring that the individual involved in it is comfortable and I'm hopeful for his complete recovery. However, this unfortunate incident underscores a pressing and troubling issue regarding drug and substance abuse among the youth in Zimbabwe, particularly within Central Business District. It is an issue that warrants our serious attention. As families and as a nation, we must remain steadfast in our prayers and enforcing programs to cater for the well-being of our children. Thank you all for your concern, prayers and support. Ndomashoko anotagwa naMliswa panguva ine achipa accusations yamunohatsika kuti aiwa anga ari under the influence aiwa of alcohol. Panapa tichipinda just a few comments vanopinda vanyora vachiti saka iwe chete ndiwe unogona kutsika zvidhakwa kwamutown chimbono pfunzira wangu gore igore rekungangurwa iri. Vanopinda vachiti une ngozi iwe wakauraya vanhu vakawandisa muZimbabwe, uri kupfukirwa nevawakauraya, saka wave kungotsika vanhu pakati pedhorobha. Why are all others who were driving next to you vasina kumutsika? Une ngozi. Vanopinda vachiti Sabo, why are you quick to justify yourself and to blame the injured passenger for being inebriated? You should have left the police in Zimbabwe to make a statement on the pedestrian's collision with your vehicle. Vanopinda vachiti aikazve, you're not accusing the person of taking drugs. Vanopinda vachiti it's not drug abuse, but there is a lot of jaywalking in the city. Those are some of the comments amuri kuona kuti how are people thinking pamusoro penhau yaMliswa. Zvinozoratidza kuti vanhu vatombomufariri Temba. Pane comment section medu dzavafungiro aim kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.